Quietly and quickly, the huntsmen planned their attack on the most beautiful and magical creature of all, the unicorn. It is said that the unicorn's horn can make one immortal and possesses healing powers. After the initial shock of finding the incredible mystic creature, the huntsmen began their attack. In efforts to save itself, the unicorn fought back. The unicorn managed to escape, only to be found by a woman. This woman seemed to be very friendly and kind, and coaxed the creature to come closer. However, this was all a trap to help the huntsmen kill the unicorn. In celebration of the unicorn's death, they paraded through the town with the dead animal. However, this was nowhere near the end for the unicorn, as it resurrected. The unicorn now spends eternity in a small fenced space in a 1,000-flower garden, which they called Mille Fleurs.